Hey guys, I wanted to give you my review and opinions of this ECOLEAP 36 volt electric dirt bike after about 1 week of use. We bought this dirt bike, we picked it up off of Amazon for our 5-year-old, and I've got to say, after a week of use, well, number one, he has really been enjoying it. And I've got to say, from my experience, or my view of the dirt bike as a parent, it is certainly holding up very well. And the version that he has the pneumatic 12-inch tires and has a nice chain guard on the back. It has suspension both front and rear, and it kind of appears that the rear suspension is a coilover, so it appears adjustable. I haven't messed with that yet, but a couple features that I really like about this dirt bike, particularly for my 5-year-old, starts right down here, is the speed selector. So it starts from 1 to 2 to 3, and level 3 goes about 16 miles per hour. What I really like about this, just kind of a unique little nuance of this switch, is that level 3 is in the middle. So to me, it would be a lot more difficult for a child to accidentally put it on level 3 to go the fastest setting, where they have to kind of intentionally leave it in the middle to go the fastest. So really like that feature about it. Also has, a keyed ignition. It has a battery indicator light tree here, so full, half, and empty. Does have a really cool underglow, so you turn the switch on, has a really cool LED light tube or light stick down here, so at night it looks really cool. The horn, it's really loud. It's a really loud horn, and then also has this twist throttle here. The bike itself has held up really well over about a week, and he has kind of put this thing through its paces. The only issue we've had, which was, the chain falling off, and that was because my son rode it through a natural area and got a stick caught up into the chain, and it just kind of popped off this little tensioner right here. But that was an easy fix, because this chain guard just has 4 Allen screws. Pull the chain guard off, put the chain back on, and it's good to go. Again, 36 volt charging port is right here. We have not had any issues with battery life. It has lasted, practically all afternoon going level 2. And overall, I gotta say, I'm very happy with this dirt bike. Of course, my 5-year-old son is ecstatic about it, but yeah, 36 volt, 3-speed ECOLEAP dirt bike. I would definitely recommend this bike. Hope the video was helpful. Thanks for watching.